how to fix your camera not working on your iPhone. So for that, you have to follow this troubleshooting step to fix your issue. First step is that you have to check for your software issue. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix your minor glitches. Press and hold the side button along with the volume off button here. And you can just go for the slide it to power off and you can turn it back. After turning it back, you have to force close the camera app. You have to double press on your home button, and after that you can see the camera app option here, and you have to find the camera app here and you have to swipe it off to the screen to close it. So just go and open up your camera app. You have to swipe up here and just go and swipe up from your home screen and just go for your camera and remove the camera app here. Also, you can look for the update to iOS. You have to navigate to your general option. You have to navigate to your setting. Under your setting, you have to just go for your general option and go for your software update. And you have to check for any iOS update. Sometimes camera issues are fixed in the software update too. If this doesn't work, you can just make sure your camera is enabled for the app. Just go back to your app here. Under your app, just tap on the camera here. So here you have to just go for the camera app. Under your camera app, you have to look for the setting here. So you have to just go and enable the all setting. And also you have to turn off this mirror front camera. Also you can reset your setting. If you suspect a system or setting issue, try resetting all settings. So this won't delete your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password and other system. Navigate to your general here, scroll down, go for the transfer or reset phone, tap on the reset and go for the reset all setting. If this step doesn't work, you have to contact to the hardware malfunction. You can visit to the Apple Store or any store for the further assistance. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.